Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings to you all from Reason Together TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in a part of the world. Welcome back again to this YouTube channel, Reason Together TV. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please enable to hit the red subscribe button down below and also the bell icon for notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you will always be the first person to be notified. This case that you are about to watch is a case of tenancy dispute. Please listen attentively as the defendant and the complainant make their statement for peaceful resolution. Thanks for watching. Until I come your way next time. Bye for now. Ciao.
How are you, sir? You are the complainant? Yes, sir. All right. The landlord is the complainant. We'll be giving him the audience. Thereafter, the tenant. You may have your seats. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Your name, please.
My name is Ahmed Fadike.
All right. What brought you to our office of the Human Rights Defenders?
Thank you. I came here to tell my tenant that I want to make use of that place where she put the container. I want to make use of that place. That's what brought me here.
In the process, what now happened?
So I told her to give me a chance, to give me chance there, so that I want to be sure at that point that it puts container. So when I've already told her since last year 2019, but he plead, the husband plead to me that I should assist in that time. To
Assisting with what?
He said I should leave in that time. That I should just leave in that time. So I said, if I want to make use of that place, I will tell him that I want to make use of that place. But now that I'm ready to make use of that place, so I told her that I want to make use of that place. So that's just it.
According to you, when you came to our office, was it last week, and you complained certain things about this particular tenant? So that is the area where I'm actually expecting you to verify, to say it again. It's not just like you ask her to leave, that is why you are here. Certain things has happened in the process. So I don't know.
I said, I told her that I want to make use of that place, that he refused to quit that place.
If you know you cannot hear him or we, please say it so that there will be no point of wasting time. Maybe we can re-air it again. All right, if that is the case, you can give the microphone to your tenants. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Your name?
My name is Mrs. Banjo Kumonsurat.
All right. What do you have to say about the landlord's complaint?
The complaint I have with him is the issue on ground is not issue with me and him. It's with him and my neighbor. It's like they have clash one day. I'm not around. Between two of them, maybe they say they broke fights or what, I don't really know what happened. They start fighting, abusing themselves. That he make statement that you want to pursue two of you self. I don't want you people
That's
here,
including you.
including me, but I'm not around that day. So they say when where they are fighting that fight, he went to meet my son. Then say, if your mommy come, I want to see your mommy. He said, okay. My son explained to me. I said, okay, no problem. I don't even know what happened. I told that my friend that what happened. That one explained to me. I said, okay, is that why I now don't want to see him? He said, yes. The second day he saw me, he said, he want to see my husband. I said, okay, my husband is not around, but I told him. He said, no problem. Since that time, my husband did not have time to come. Even though I was fighting my husband, I told that my landlord say he want to see you. You don't know what he want to see you for. Me too. My husband asked me, say, what happened? I said, I don't know. Maybe he want to see you for anything. That time there is lockdown, something. Maybe they are protest. I don't even know what happened that time. Maybe his FBC won't work where he won't tell you. I forget that one. Since that time they come. And where your husband? Where your husband? I say, you know they meet me for shop. Now my children think they meet for shop. My children will tell me, say, landlord don't come house of them. So on Monday I go meeting. As I come, I just start with my friend outside there. So you don't know that I'm with that woman. He just came. Korede, where is your mommy? I told you that I want to see your daddy. I just come outside. Landlord. Shebi, you told me that you want to see my husband. I've already told my husband, but you don't have time. And is that why you are making us outside so that they will think maybe me and you have issue? He just say, okay, if you didn't see your husband, what I want to give your husband, I will give it to you. Go and drop it to your husband. I say, okay. As I enter inside, I now ask that my friend that, is there anything behind this issue that you two of you is fighting before? What happened? What is my own business out of this thing? That one now told me that you even mention my own name, say now two of us they scatter here, he won't pursue all of us, even though his husband don't come back down. He tell his husband say, even though this Yareshe said, he go go because now they cause everything. Say I no get mercy for body. Pé èmi ò ní oore lọ́wọ́, I no get mercy for body. I say, wetin be my own? I come vex. He dey inside, I know say he dey inside, dey peep for window. I come dey tell that my friend say, which kind thing be this one? You say, fight go dey grand. Matter wey no concern me, wetin be my own matter wey he dey look for my husband, say he wan give me quick notice. Na him that my friend come tell me say, na so him talk, so he say he wan give me too quick notice. I come say, you don too much for landlord. Why be say everything na quick notice, na quick notice? I know say him dey hear. You can't let me talk everything finish. I say na so the time when I take light, NEPA light, when you want take tap the light, I no gree. Make him tap because prior time that time say, make anybody no tap the light. I no gree make him tap the light. That time, in children too, if they do something, we no fit touch them. If I touch them, na wahala. That time, I him call my husband say, he be like say, this place na my papa house. Why your wife go dey talk say make my children no pass this side? Make my I say because of what? This NEPA no na 2,000 they pay NEPA bill. Why you go talk say because of that one? They say make we go beg am. My husband follow me with that woman too. We beg am, forget everything. That thing still dey in mind. Me, I no even think of that one. I don't beg am, I need am, beg am that day. That my friend with one man, they beg am that one go. As he come outside, say, Yareshe, all the thing where you dey talk, na I dey hear. I say, me too, I want make you hear. I no do babe, I'm about the way we are take the talk. I want make you hear, and I make me the talk. So as he come back and come say, wetin me I want do, na me I want do. But no blow your. If you say I lie for this thing, may God judge me. But wetin me I want talk be say, they no boy your grandfather where you carry boys come meet me for this place.
Who can't they talk down?
My landlord, people there outside where they fit, they will testify. I come tell and say, get out from my front, or you are very stupid. You see only you that you are a landlord for this house. Now only you did this house. Where be saying if you do small thing, now quick notice. Now which kind of now me and you get quarrel. You and that person will get quarrel. You don't follow down on top. So now you can say you won't give quick notice now. Now we start to. Now you can't they curse me. Me try they curse am back. You abuse my visa. Now tell me say then shebi you be OPC. I say me I talk OPC matter for this thing when I dey talk now. No put OPC, no put boys. Wetin be say if they no born your grandpapa when I come and I abuse am back. They come tell me say Ashewo. I say I thank God say I be Ashewo. The woman wey dey front of our house where you two dey fuck him come. He say shebi na so he dey fuck me too inside bedroom. No be inside bedroom, inside toilet. He dey fuck me. I tell am say you no fit fuck me o because you too slow for people wey fit fuck me. No be you fit fuck me. You no fit say na true him dey fuck me. Even though as we dey drag that matter, one Igbo man dey pass, dey talk say, oga na only you dey dis street, today you go fight ten ant, tomorrow you go fight ten ant, say na only you dey dis house. Na im come tell say shebi na those people wey dem dey fuck you dey sit down with you. Thank God the man dey come back again meet us there. I come tell am say come come see the man wey talk say he dey fuck me again. Oga I know you for anywhere. He say I no know am but I don see this man wey dey fight ten ant here one day when I pass. That is why I talk the word when I talk. The man you abuse the man too abuse am. I say which kind thing be this one? As he abuse am, as he come dey talk matter as everybody come dey beg am. He come say na so this woman talk say me I thief phone. I say which phone? That one don pass, e don dey go 4 years now. I bought one phone for my son. So when I no dey around that time, I say the phone lost. As I wan beat my son, he come dey fear. Say mommy please, I don't know say the boy go ask am. He go meet him friend. Say shey una no help me see phone. All the friend say he no see phone. He go meet landlord. I no even tell am say make he go. I just see say my landlord come outside say Yakorede, that thing wey you try with me, no dey ever try am with me. So he dey call me thief. I say which kind thief be that one? Say your pikin come inside now come ask me say shey you are not help am see phone. I say me? Korede, did I told you to go and ask my landlord? I even wan beat that boy. That the boy around. I say which kind of experience? He come dey talk that matter the day say na so me I talk say him thief phone. I say me this one wey him come talk say he wan use the shop. Na last month he call us say you see those one of our people for our phone dem dey build shop there. He come call me and that my neighbor wey dey get issue. Na since that time he don put us for mind. He come tell us say he wan use that shop do block, say make we go build am. If you build am finish, make we use that money wey we take build am use the shop. I come tell am say as everything be now, corona dey outside, money no dey, I no get money. We tell am say okay, no wahala, no problem. Since that time, he no even talk anything. So the thing wey he come dey talk now, he no even tell me anything. As I hear say he come in and say make I come woman right, I even surprise say wetin happen for when my money never due. Na the same time my money go due. And he no even tell me say he wan use shop. That one he don talk am. And he call two of us say make we borrow our money. Say he wan go in land dey collect am for one place. Make we arrange money. Na him and my friend come talk say I no get money. That time our money never due. It's any amount wey we get. Now come tell my friend say I no get money. My friend too come say we no get money. You come see say we gather gang up, no one give am that money. Now he come vex and say he wan use the shop do block. I say I no get money to do block. And he don accept. He say okay, no wahala. He never ready said to do the thing. And we don't forget that one. Now the issue wey dey ground now. Now him with my neighbor dey fight. My own no dey there. So I no come know wetin come make am put my phone.
All right, abeg. Sorry, we're experiencing electricity failure here. Very soon they are going to put on the chain. Please give your landlord the mic. Sir, you can hear the woman, and even while hold on a minute, while she was talking, people said that they hear her clearly, but while you were talking, they were complaining. So I will advise you to speak like a man.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
You are the one that reported her here.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Good. And this is human rights.
Okay.
Who comes first is not supposed to be, or it's not always the case that you must win.
Yes, sir.
We are for justice. So when I asked you what actually happened, you said you want to use the space.
Yes, sir.
You know, it's the logic, it's the method most of you use. Even when you have problem with people, you don't want to settle, you say, please leave I want to make use of my house. You see what this woman just said now, we appreciate if you can respond to it. Put that I want to use my container space, the container space for now. Because she just levies allegation against you
Yes.
that have to do with the formation of character sexually. And before I continue, I want to ask her one more question. Are you married?
Yes, sir.
What kind of marriage are we talking about? You have boyfriend or you have husband?
I'm in husband house. I'm in married.
No, give him the mic. Sir, I would like you to give us your statement again.
Okay, sir.
Again.
I don't want to say all this before, but now when she says it now, I can say it louder, clear, louder. What happened? What happened from the beginning? This woman, she's provoking me, not today, in that house.
Provoking you with what, sir? We are writing in.
Yes, sir. Now, first, there's a day I went to work because normally I go out around 5 a.m. in the morning. I come back home 6 p.m. in the evening, like this. So when I go to work in the morning, that day, I come back around 6 o'clock that day. So I see that NEPA have come to cut my lights. In the first place, I said, what happened? Why NEPA come our light? They said we did not pay our bill. I said, okay. But we have already gathered this morning. Then, okay, no problem. As I want to put the wire on top of the roof, I want to pack the wire and put it on top of the roof. So I see that. I now call my daughter, my first daughter. I call her. Give me the wire. I'm on top of the chair. I said my daughter to give me wire. So when my daughter wants to give me the wire, I'm on top of the chair. I saw my daughter's head was broken. I jumped down from the seat. I said, what happened? He said, no, she did not talk. She's the other woman that talked that she want me to finish before she explained to me. I said, explain. So I rushed, put the wire. I come down. I said, what happened? He said, it's my daughter and my son. They are the one, and with our own daughter, they are playing. So they are playing bad game. They are playing bad play. Yes. That my son, my little son, 11 years old that time, she was playing with her daughter, 13 years old or 14 years old. She said they are playing. The daughter remove her clothes. Her own daughter remove her clothes. With my son remove his own clothes. They are playing rough play.
What do you mean by rough play? Sexual play?
Yes, sexual play. So I said, what happened? He said, my daughter now see them. She did not say anything. They now beat my daughter, break her head, beat her.
How old is your daughter that did not say something?
She's 13 years old.
She was 13 as at that time.
That time.
And the one
she was 13 years.
Yeah, the one that is playing rough play, that is your son.
My son.
How old is your son?
9.
9 years.
Yes.
And the one they are playing rough play with, how old is she?
That one is 13 also, that time.
13.
13 years.
13. 9 was playing rough play with 13 years.
13 years.
How come you have 2 children at 13?
I have no. My own daughter, 13. The other woman that we are talking about.
Put mic close to your mouth.
The other woman.
Yeah.
Neighbor.
Oh, yeah.
The other woman, the other neighbor.
Yeah.
A second. She have a daughter, 13 years old.
Hold on, don't confuse me.
Okay.
You are trying to narrate, or rather to explain what happened that led to the beating of or assaulting of your
my daughter. Yes.
Then you have to explain it better, clearly, in a way that people will understand you.
Okay.
Good. According to the way what you are saying now, they caught your son of 9 years
Yes.
with her daughter.
With her daughter.
How old is her daughter?
That time.
Madam, how old is your
Not
was
my
your
own
Not
daughter.
our own daughter, the second neighbor.
Okay.
And yes, the second
Oh,
one.
the neighbor
Eh.
and your son, they caught them trying to play some sexual kind
Play.
of. And this very woman sitting here now was the one that reacted to it and beat up your
my
daughter
daughter.
for
He beat
not
my daughter.
okay, relax. She beat up your daughter for not reporting the kind of thing they were doing. Then what now happened when you now came back?
So when I came back, I now asked her what happened. He said they are doing sexual play.
And you said it before.
So
that's why they
but
beat
I just keep quiet. I don't see anything that time. I just keep quiet. But I call my son and my daughter. I say, what happened? They explained to me that my daughter said she's not aware of that. She did not see them. But she's Mommy Korede. We call her Mommy Korede. She's the one that said she saw them when they are playing that sexual play. I said, okay, but now, did you see anything? They said, no, she's not. That one, I just waved that one. That one gone. That one.
Okay, you are only trying to tell us that this lady has long been provoking you.
Yes.
And this is one of the provocation.
Yes, sir.
That she has provoked you.
Yes, sir.
That they said they caught your son trying to, or they were doing kind of, and she now reacted by beating her. That was how she provoked you. Yes, then sir. What is the second one?
The second one, when I've never started work that time. I'm inside my room, inside my sitting room. I sit down there. So I saw the son. She just came inside and asked me that I did not, because there's a day I'm inside her shop. We are drinking because she said drink. We are drinking. So I now saw one phone for her hand. And I asked her, I say, Mommy Korede, please, I don't have phone. Because I have somebody at UK that they are calling. If they come like that, I normally carry them. That time I say, yeah, Korede, please, can you borrow me this your phone? See, so that I can use it to call my people at UK. Maybe if they are coming, I can make use of the phone. He said, no, that is the husband phone. He will tell her. I say, okay, no problem. So maybe the second or third day, and I see the son. He just came in and asked me that our mommy said he should come and ask me that the phone I pick in her shop, I should give it to him. I say, God, phone go, just go. And I come outside. I come meet.
I say, they try to accuse you of stealing phone.
Stealing phone. I come and meet. I say, yeah, Korede, why did you ask that kind of rubbish question? Ask me, you're telling your son to ask me, am I stealing phone? He said, he just telling him to maybe I see the phone. I said, but don't ask me that kind of rubbish phone. I said, why should I steal your phone? If I want to, I will beg you for phone, and you did not give me, so no problem. He said, so that one gone.
That is to three.
He said that same phone. I said,
and that is
yes.
Beat up my
daughter.
Your daughter. You asked her to borrow you her phone. She refused, and she now accused you of stealing phone.
Stealing phone.
Which other one?
The other one. There was a day again. I'm inside with my friend again. So she was coming from outside. I don't know who pour rubbish beside her, inside the gutter, not in front of her shop, inside the gutter, beside her shop there. So she just be accusing, be shouting, be abusing. I say, Alaba, that guy died now. I said, Alaba, did you hear Mommy Korede? As she was abusing, shouting, abusing everybody. And she know that I'm too small to ask her what happened, to somebody do something for her. I said, maybe I send somebody to her. I said, they should go and call her for me. So she now called me and said, I said, Mommy Korede, at least I'm small, but I'm still your landlord. If anything happens, you're supposed to come and report it to me before you make any. If it is my son or my daughter now do that thing, you are abusing, you are cursing. I don't like that kind of thing. She begged me. I said, okay. The other one, This woman, I asked her to sell close up to me. I said I have a 150. She was selling it 300. What she was saying, I said she was selling it 300 that time. I said, when we go there, I have 150. Can you sell this thing? He said, no, you cannot sell it. But I don't take that as
You
a
take
something.
it. That is what you are. It's
That
your
time I
mind. You
don't
are
think-
telling us what provoked you now.
So now I now call when the thing happened. So I now called the husband one day that Daddy Korede, I want to make use of this place. I want to build shop at this place, please. But she was begging me that day that I should leave them, and she don't have any money now, but I should leave. She plead. So I said, if time come, if I want to make use of this, I will tell you. But all these things, I don't put it in this thing because she come to me, she begged me. This one that is happening now, she was shouting. That day, she was shouting that I fuck this woman, I do this, I'm befriending this, I fuck this woman. Even this woman that we are talking about, the second neighbor, he said I fuck her. I say, okay, if you said I fuck her, I fuck you too. Because where did you see me? Tell me, show me the video, show me the voice thing that you record that I fuck this one, I told this one. If you said that, I fuck you too. Other one, and the husband came. I said, this is what happened. This is what happened. And after that, she come to beg me. She was begging me. She was.
Why was she begging you?
I don't know. She was begging that I should forgive her. Even they sent somebody to me.
That you should not confess that you fuck her again.
No, that I should leave them because I told them that I want to make use of
That they should quit.
and that I want to make use of that place. That I want to put a shop there.
Okay. Sir, we will stop here for now. Did you know that she have husband?
And even yes, I know, but even they are not the one that rented that place from me. Even they rented that place for my father. The person that rented that place, he rented that place for my father. They are not the one. It's the husband brother that rented that place. Even I want to collect the number of that man. They didn't.
Okay, the house is your daddy's house.
Yes, it's my
Where is
daddy's
your
house.
father now?
It's late.
Okay, you are the first son.
Yes, sir.
You inherit the house, the
Yes, sir.
property.
Yes.
Okay, good. But the question I'm asking now, do you know that this woman has husband or has boyfriend?
I know that they have husband.
Do you have wife?
Yes, I have.
You have wife.
Yes, sir.
You just agree now that you told a married woman that you slept with her. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And thereafter they were still begging you because you were still threatening to quit them from your land.
Yes, sir.
And now you come to human rights to paint the story that you want to make use of your land without telling us what actually happened.
Yeah, I don't want to bring that one up.
Listen, sir.
Okay.
You are just trying to take advantage of them because of the property. And as at that, you say to the husband's face that you fucked the wife, you slept with you. Let me not use the same language with you people. That you slept with his wife. Instead of the man to react, they were still begging you because they knew that when you quit them, they might not have other place to do their business. Maybe they are benefiting from that very portion of a piece of land you gave them to put their container. Is the man behind there? Who is he? The man behind.
The husband.
Who is giving for? Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So, what do you have to say about this whole issue? And first, I want to before then, is this woman your girlfriend or your wife?
I'm Mr. Banjoko Taiwo.
You're welcome.
This is my wife. This is my wife.
Okay.
Yeah.
You've been here since now,
Yes, sir.
and there is no point of me narrating the story to you again.
Yes.
What is your take in all these things? What do you have to say? What you have experienced, whichever way, what do you have to say at this moment?
Well, actually, when all this thing was going on, I was not around. So it was actually it's like he told my wife that he wants to see me.
So I don't want you to repeat what they said before.
Okay.
You heard they said they slept with your wife.
Yes.
And you also heard him, or the way he has been having contact with your wife instead of you. Whenever they have misunderstanding, instead of waiting for you or calling you, he will deal with your wife directly. So now that you are here, what do you have to tell the house? Actually, he says, so and as a man, this is how my response, or this is what I do, or what I did, or what I told them.
Actually, when I heard that, at that point, I did not say anything. But when I got home, I asked my wife, and I was so angry with her that what sort of nonsense is that? Look at what my landlord said, and she says there's nothing like that, and I was like, if there's nothing, my landlord can never say that. What he says, because I'm a man. I can never say such a thing to a lady or a woman.
Or somebody's wife.
Yes, or somebody's wife. I'm a responsible someone. Why would I say such a thing? If you have your own wife, can I say such a thing to your own wife? How will you be? So what I'm trying to say now is that in this house you can help me to ask him, because I never knew the reason why he says such thing and what is between both of them that is going on. I'd like to know.
Thank you. You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
That is exactly the permission I wanted to hear from you, and I'm sure you've given me that permission. Because they know they follow help person they cry, now Spain be for your body, you take the shed tears. So now I'm not supposed to cry more than the grief for the fact that you are here as a husband.
Yes.
That is why I've not been able to say something louder since, because I believe some men, they might say, my wife, I love you, I don't want you to leave me. If I'm not doing it well, please go elsewhere and do it, provided you don't leave me. I was thinking if it's that way, there's no point I should start dragging both of them here and there. If a man slept with somebody's wife and confessed it, so long he confesses it, we can only go straight to the punishment. We don't stress much. But if they were still debating it, I think I'm seeing them somewhere. It's like I do see them. That is when we start carrying much investigation out, which it may take time or short time. But now that he has agreed, we can only ask him, why did you sleep with my wife? Is it my wife that forced you to sleep with me, or how did it happen? That is the question you will ask him, sir, because the case don't change. So you go ask him, and you go ask him to answer us. You go ask your landlord, yes, see him, yes, sir.
Okay.
Ask him, he's here. Ask him why he slept with your wife.
My landlord, why do you sleep with my wife?
Thank you. House, I don't sleep with her wife because she said I sleep with the second neighbor. I sleep with one woman in front of my house. So I said, okay, if I sleep with them, that means I sleep with you.
No, according to her, you confess that I dey sleep with you inside bedroom. You did not just say I slept with you. You even say you describe the place you do sleep with. Oga, relax. It's on video.
Okay.
She said it before. You did not just say if I sleep with, if you say I dey sleep with Jennifer, I dey sleep with you too. You said, you specify it. I do sleep with you in the toilet abi bedroom. So, Oga, let me tell you, I'm not threatening you. We are going to sue you for defamation of character. If they cannot pay, I will pay. I want to use you as a lesson to other landlords that think having house, you have heaven. You know, all of us want to make heaven. Me, I don't even want to make heaven. I like roasted yam. So there's no fire in heaven. I'll go to hell because I like roasted yam. So let me first tell you now that I don't even want to belong to where people want to go by all means. So if we are seeing landlord and landlady as heaven, that we all want to make heaven, I don't want to make that kind of your heaven. You understand? So if you people think if landlord ten again find wife or who I like, he not gree for me, they must quit. Look at you. You've already jay yourself. Let me tell you how you jay yourself. All your statements since you have been referring to her. I even went to borrow phone. I asked her for this. I said something that this woman is selling 300. You went there with 150. You did not tell her I will be owing you. Okay, your statement is here. Don't talk when I'm still talking. You did not beg her, please, madam. I have 150. I will pay the remaining one. You say sell for me. Close up. This is what I have. And when you said you want to list your offense, her offense, this among all the things you listed. You went there to borrow phone. She refused. Instead, she accused you of stealing phone. She asked her to sell close up for you 150 naira. She said no, it's 300. You now pleaded with her, please sell from this is all I have. She refused. When you said you have something that is provoking you, she has been provoking. These are some of the things you listed. So now, because you are heavenly landlord, you wanted to run down her business. She refused. A married woman, you want to borrow her phone to call. She said no. Now, according to you, you say now she said it's my husband's phone. She gave due respect to her husband. That means as man to man, if my husband come and tell him you want to borrow phone. Instead, you did not approach the husband. You got angry that she did not give you phone. Then if this woman is wayward like you think she is, she will give you that phone without her husband knowing. She will not give the respect to the husband. Say when my husband come and ask for phone or it's my husband's phone. Sir, the way you are confessing is only confession that will help you. Then we will see how we can beg this man. Why did you slept with your tenant's wife? That is a very simple question.
I did not sleep with her. I did not sleep with her because I don't do such a thing. I did not sleep with her because she states now. I've never done that before.
Okay, you just decide to tarnish her image, her personality.
No, it's because she was saying that I slept with somebody and the woman she's living in front of my house. That is why, she was abusing me. I'm also abusing her back. That I slept with this woman. I slept with this. I said, okay, if I slept with them, that means I slept with you too. So, but I can't do that. I don't do that. I don't even toast her. I don't sleep with her. I've never done that before. So I don't sleep with her.
Okay, you are still here to tell us the truth. You are not crazy. You are not out of your senses that you just wake up and because you have a misunderstanding with somebody's wife, you now say, I slept with you in the bedroom.
Yes, I can't do that. I can't do that. Even the husband knows that I can't do that.
No.
I will never. No, I can't do that.
So how did you know that you can't do that?
I can't do that.
Husband, he's referring to you that you know that he cannot do that.
Well, actually, I said it when I went to him. So when he was trying to explain some things to me, he made that statement that very day that he says he slept with my wife at the bathroom.
Yeah.
So, because of, as in, the space that we're using, I was trying to, plead to him so that we can, just forget about everything. But he says no.
Pray to him over what?
As in, concerning the issue that is happening, because he told me that he slept with my wife in the bedroom. So that very day, I did not say anything.
All right. You see, in this office of the human right, we call a spade a spade.
Okay.
No matter who you are or your relationship with me or any of the whoever may be the person presiding,
All right.
Before we come back to the landlord, we want to talk with your wife.
Okay, sir.
Give her the mic. Madam, in your statement, we still can remember vividly that you also said you are the one that accused him of sleeping with somebody else, that I'm not that woman that you sleep with. So can you please go back to that area?
Yes, when we are abusing ourselves, he told me that this woman is a shewo. Is a shewo.
Which woman?
Me, he's telling me that you that is a shewo, that I will come around 12 o'clock, I meet you with men. That day, one man is doing birthday in my shop. He woke up around, we do night party there. And my husband is even there with my friends. He said, we shout, that's the day I wake up early. I saw him with men in the shop. They are doing a show. You think, Shedi, that Mr. Rice is fucking. I said, me, I'm not a show. I'm not a show like your girlfriend that you are fucking at. Say, no, this why they fuck you to inside bedroom. I said, okay, no wala.
Okay, listen. Who is that? His girlfriend? Yes, you. If you don't know somebody's girlfriend, you cannot call somebody's girlfriend.
Yes, sir.
So you also have something to tell us. Yes. How come you know landlord's girlfriend? And who is that girlfriend? This case, you both of you are seen like joke. It may not end here now. So tell us, who is that woman and why? How did you get to know?
Because I used to stay there till night daybreak.
Where?
In my shop there. Till around 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock. The woman in front of our house, Mommy Ene.
That is his girlfriend.
Yes. I don't know, maybe they are together. Even though everybody know in their house.
You don't know if they are together again, or you don't know if they are together.
Now it's like they are separate.
Okay, it's his girlfriend
before. And I told him that me, I'm not that kind of person that you are fucking. So you can't, me, I'm not a shell. The man is not fucking you. So even the man come, I say, this my lion say you are fucking. He say, is this stupid? He say, I just beg that let us just forget that one. Don't worry.
And now you agree that you know that woman to be his girlfriend.
Yes.
But do you also know your offense there?
Sir?
I will tell you your offense in that regard. You just accused that woman again. Do you know if actually she wanted people to know that they are doing this by saying it in the public? And if two people enter one room, does that really mean they are doing this? In Western world, we, the black people, will follow white woman toaster for 5 years. The woman will invite you, you will go with condom, you will be thanking God. Thank God, they don't invite me, or even send me this love message on MSN, they call at that time. You go carry condom, they dream of how it will happen this night. You go there, you go cook for you, do everything. Now sleep the same bed, nothing happen. 1 year will pass, 2 years will pass, 3 years will pass. If every weekend say if you not come, you are in trouble, we will invite you. Some of our boys, you know what they used to do when they never understand Oyibo? When Oyibo just tell them, say, you can come, I'm missing you, they will take map power. You almost kill many of them. They will take map power, say, as they reach there, they will just rush and you go see, that person will want die. And you cannot run come up for Oyibo and say, where they go, because you are trying to build relationship. Some people will want die. So what am I trying to say? I know in Nigeria it's a different thing. when you see men and women holding hand to hand in Western world, they will hold hands. Some will even give some peck. Nothing has happened. Oh, so 99%. Let me not even say among white. Oh, I don't know of the black. So for you to say somebody they sleep with somebody, that one alone self, you trigger this talk, but he go in for it. Now you start this talk, oh, and see the one that they pronounce now. Fuck, me too, I don't join at the talk now. I never know how many years I don't hear this kind of word again. Don't take. You understand? Okay, good. Madam, I go help you fix your home. You have big problem as far as married woman is concerned. You and the landlord they fight. The only thing I like about you now na the truth, oh, and I know say more truth now will tell us today. The only thing I like now na only just the truth. What is the truth? Now you talk exactly how it is insult you can't break fuck matter. He call you ashawo, which is very bad though. He called you ashawo, you can't say, eh? And not be like ashawo like that your girlfriend when you dey sleep with. How you take talk and
He call me, this man, na ashawo. Na so I wake up around 2 o'clock when I meet am with that Mr. Rice, because that time I the Igbo man where they abuse and say, this landlord don't too much for you. Now only you did this year. Because I can't tell and say, she the people when no follow us leave out. Because they should not be that Mr. Rice where they sit down with you, where they fuck you when I meet. I can't call them and say, man, I know you.
Oh, madam, you're only repeating it. Oga, wait, I have you people time. You're only repeating it.
Yes, sir.
It's the same thing I'm saying. This man accused you that you are ashawo. You let this thing just be one-sided. Like, oh, if they insult me, I will wait for my husband to go and confront him. Instead, you tell her, say, I not dey cheap like that woman when you dey sleep with. Yabi?
Yes, sir.
Wait. Now, if I mention as a person they sleep with you. Okay, very good. I get your point now. That means this same man now he still talk say you be ashawo.
Yes.
Before you can't refer to his girlfriend, say I not be like that your girlfriend.
No.
Okay, listen, no. Not be you want to speak for her. Madam, I go still give you your brain. If I slap you, you go slap my sister back. The law will give you the punishment when you take slap my sister, and they will give me my own when I take slap you. You know, say because he slapped me, now I revenge. Okay, now 50-50. No. It doesn't go like that, oh. This man was calling you names. Instead, you went and called another woman name. The woman is not here now, but that was very wrong of you. You understand? That was very wrong. Oga, you hear now? This issue of ashawo, it will not end today. Oh. I'm going to put her like every other woman's wife. I'm going to represent the men that don't have action. Drop your hand. I'm going to represent the men that cannot talk like this man, because this man, he will collect you. Because of us, they thought say they sleep with your wife. You go dey beg. You go collect your this man. You go collect your. You go collect your. You want just sit down. This woman self, maybe this woman self, she really need to marry another woman. Maybe now make am. Because I can't imagine now somebody will joke with my wife. Say if you say I deflect, I flirt with you too. Think about it, dare or no dare. So if this man now, because he cannot deal with you, me I go help am deal with you and help other men when they allow their wife to be abused, deal with you. Give am making the talk wetin you want talk. You like talk for nothing next tomorrow. You have agreed what I want to hear.
Sir, thank you, sir. What I want to say, sir, I don't have time to be. When I come back from work, I don't have time to be talking. I'll just go straight to my house.
No, you said that. Hold on. There's a statement you made here before. Okay. You said that time when you never get work. That means even before you relax, don't proud with your work.
Okay.
You said it before in this video that even that time when you never get work. So if you feel they do nonsense with them when you never get work, now you want to say if I close for work, I go to my house. What about things that happened before you got job? So remember in this video you said before you tell me what you want to tell me.
What I want to say, I said that one. What I want to say, when this thing happened, when I come back from work, I see the son. I see the son. I said, where is your mom? Where is your daddy? He says he's not come back from work. Where is your mommy? He said she's at the back, in front of the house. He said she's at the back. That is front of the house. I said, okay. So I now go in front of the house because I want to enter the house. Mommy Korede, I said I want to see your husband. That's what I said. Oh. I said, Mommy Korede, I said I want to see your husband. He said he has not come back from work. I said, okay. If I don't see him today, I will send you to him tomorrow if I come back from work. Then I go inside. So I lie down inside my room. I hear many talk when she did talk outside with the second neighbor. They was abusing me. So I now come back. I come outside. I come meet her. I say, thank you very much. I heard everything when you talk. Thank you. That's what I said. Though I've never abused this woman. Oh. I said thank you. I've heard what you have said. Though. Thank you. But what she said is, get out. She won't call him. That's the statement.
What does that mean in English?
He said I should get out. Is it only me that my father built house for this street, for this shasha? He said I should get out. I say no problem, no wala. It's the husband I want to see. That's where the abuse come out. That Oniranu,
Which abuse?
He said
You not abuse her back.
Wait, sir. He said Oniranu. She forced this woman. She slept with this woman. I said, that's where this thing comes. I don't lie you. I said, if you say I fuck that woman, that means I fuck you too. That's it. So
hold a minute, Mrs.
Sir.
When they talk of this, I do that. Which person did there that day?
Yes, sir. That my neighbor did there. Even the tenants did there with one room. Everybody, plenty people even did there where they feel every just testify.
No, we're not there after plenty people.
Yes.
We need one or two people.
Yes.
For this case, no, we'll stop here. I want to make sure that both of you will learn a lesson. Now we'll sing a new song. Tell us exactly the person when you did there.
The first neighbor that I fought with first, that my neighbor. Yahoy. Yahoy. Then
Yeah, waiting.
Sadira.
Okay. Sadirat.
Sadirat, yes.
Okay, which other one?
Ibrahim Yezini.
Okay. Those two are they willing to come here?
They can come.
Okay. Okay, you know why I say make them come? Why I want make them come, Gala Lord?
Yes, sir.
You say you make one statement. If you say I do so, then I do so to you too. If you say I do so, can you understand what I'm trying to say? If you say I do so to you too. If actually you say I do so to you too, you can kind of be justified, which can never be rather. So now I want these people that will come, make them come tell us, say, I was there that day. When this woman come insult you, now you can say, if you say so, that I do so with you too, if you say so. Know how you want penta when you want a woman, married or no married. And if you say I'm sleeping with John, I'm sleeping with you too. John or Janet have to come out and defend herself and make whatever claim that you call me harlot or come approve it. Even if they call your own wife, sorry to say, they call your own wife that name. If you speak for your wife by insulting her, calling her names, you will go for it. Then she will go for the one she called your wife. I don't know if you are getting it. You dey sleep with Jennifer. I dey sleep with you too. No. Instead, go and call Jennifer. Somebody is denting your name here. Oh. Then Jennifer, you cannot back Jennifer up. Say, we will go to lawyer, we go to court, and we ready to sponsor it. I am there as a witness. One other person is there. We will go to court. But for you to say, because you call my wife name, I want to call you name. She will sue you for calling her name, while your wife will sue her for calling her name. You understand?
Yes.
So now, what I see want for you, sir, tell her why you slept with this woman. What happened? Were you drunk that day?
I repeat it again. I did not sleep with her, sir. I did not. I did not sleep with her.
This confession now that is in this video, I want to use it against you. I want to teach you a little lesson.
Okay.
Do you know if this man behind it that call himself the husband of this woman,
Okay.
if it's like me, everybody must not be like me. You will not be sitting here right now. Even if you are sitting here, the wife will not be sitting in that house right now. Because there is no amount of pence you will pen that story that I will agree with. Even if you swear the gods that will kill you today, I will not agree with my wife. You understand? So, if actually what you guys are telling us is true, you almost destroy the family or the relationship of this man and this woman. That is because you are not the real man that think twice before you say something. You talk like a woman, how you meet her, they talk about me side, and I came and say, hey, I am hearing you. Are you God? Landlord, and you've not suffered for the house. It's your father that owns the house. You inherit that property. You don't know how your father suffered for it. Maybe it's not even your father's soul. You don't know how your grandfather suffered for it. So if they were lazy like you, sit inside house and be rojo talking with women, married women, you think that is how they would have raised this building that you are fighting for as a young landlord? You have time to hear what this woman say, what the other person say, who was late outside, who sleep with who is ashawo. So any woman that is social now must be ashawo. And any woman that did not sit with the husband or boyfriend, he must be ashawo. In abroad, you associate. Be you man or woman. My wife that I am marrying, her friend out of 100, 75 they are men. That is how I met her. I cannot stop it, and that is how I marry her. That is how I'm marrying her to date. Because the business she's doing have to do with men. The people she will give work to work as contractor have to be with men. People that will buy and sell for her or sell for her have to do with men. So when I met her, it took me over a year before I saw one lady came to greet her. And that lady said was not a good woman. She did not talk good about me. He advised my wife not to marry me. The first lady that came to greet her, after many men coming to greet her, the first lady is there. Hey, excuse my wife. I saw my wife look sad, and it's like my wife is trying to kind of, my best friend advising me like this, like she want to take it or she don't want to take it. But she was not happy. I begin to persuade her, what is the bad news? Ever since this lady came since and left, you not build yourself. After persuading her for days, she now confessed to me. So what am I trying to say? It's not a matter of men or women you move with as a woman or as a man that makes you what people are thinking about you. They might got it wrong, and in most cases, they got it wrong. Sir, I'm going to use this office to treat your fuck up. You will be a lesson. You are a smiley judge. By the time I'm done with you, you will not smile.
Sir.
People will clean your tears. Because people like you, we are complaining there are so many things. Will you respect yourself and hold your mouth? We complain now that there are so many single ladies there, single mother, how they call it. And you people are still creating more problems. You're supposed to think before you talk to a married woman because you may make her to lose her home. Before you say, I not do, one swear, yelala, swear church, the marriage is already gone. Then she becomes a single mother. You understand? What you did was actually wrong, and also for using your property, advantage. You took advantage on them. Okay, you not do again, quit notice. So, now, can you listen to yourself? If you are really a human being, you insulted, you dent her image, which tarnish. Instead of you to call some friends to go and beg, they came to you to beg because you also asked them to quit. And you are happy as semi-God that you just assaulted people. You deformed their character. How are you feeling? Instead of you to say you are still begging since last month, they were even the one now begging you, Oga, forget and forgive. Don't quit us. And you were happy, Oga, respect yourself. Both of you have given statements. And you were happy as a semi-God that I insulted them, they begged me. You see, if you have slept with this woman, she will have no reason to beg you again because you have already disgraced her. And those who are there when you said it, they cannot come back again to stay there for you to say it again, say I was lying. So she should have deal with you because, wait till no one made them here as a married woman. They don't hear, what is the need of hiding it? I will deal with this man. So what you just said, if she really cares, or her husband cares, you have done the worst to them. They even need the husband say, I'm not married again. The next person that will marry her will say, not be so you do. When landlord they sleep with you, not be make your husband drive you. Oh God, no do, my husband not sleep with her. Get out. If you not sleep with her, why I see you with men today again? Why you not quit enter house? I don't know if you are getting the point. So tell us what thing you want me we do to you.
So,
okay, do you have wife? Let's do it this way. Do you have wife?
I have one, but we have small issue.
Since how many years?
Since 2 years now.
Before this incident?
Before this.
You not get wife. I was a rich man before. Do you still have the money? If somebody tell you I was a rich man before, is the person still rich? I was a rich man before, you still get money with that.
We have small issue.
You not get wife. Since 2 years, you not get. That is why they carry all this landlord tenant wife. They get where they carry them go. Now you go here in the evening. Now you go here in the afternoon. Now you go here in the night. You never get wife for now.
If you can ask anybody, I don't bring anybody to my house to marry or carry even girlfriend to my house. Even I have children staying with me. So I don't bring any girlfriend, any woman into my house, sleep in my house. So I don't, no woman come to my house. Unless even then, come inside my sitting room, pay money, we joke together.
Who they come to your city?
Tenant, if they want to pay money, maybe they come to me. Any tenant, they come to me. They knock the door, we talk together, they gave me money, then they left. So no woman slept inside my room. Even my wife still come. She come to see my daughter day before on Thursday.
So I've never. Her daughter she can't see. Not be you can't see. You see why you are doing all these things to them, and because you not get wife. Oga, listen, oh. If you get wife and you get good feeling for your wife, think now. Somebody whether fight or not fight will tell you say I did sleep with you now inside bedroom. You even know wetin mean, you specify it to make it real. So people when dey there that time, they don't carry that rumors go. You cannot gather them again because you did not say, if you say so, now be say you dey among them. No, you say you measure where you dey sleep with this woman. So if na your, no, I'm not talking to this woman again, na relax. Na your wife I dey try talk to. Now let's assume you have wife and you love the wife. Person come quarrel with your wife, now you come tell her say I dey sleep with you inside bedroom na. How you go feel? Now you go judge this case today if you go.
I will ask her if that happened true. Because if I hear that, I will ask her, is it true? And I will find the truth. Maybe if it is truth. If it is lie, I will judge it. If it is true, I will know what I will do. If it is lie, so I will just
You let it go.
let it go. If it is lie, I'll let it go. But if it is true, I don't know what I will
How
not
do
do.
we, how will you know it is true or not?
I will find out.
How do you find out? So tell us so that this man will find out that same way.
I will ask my wife. If I ask my wife said no, then I will be looking their behavior, the way they do, the way they talk, and I will.
So this man that doesn't stay there, now how will this man now know your behavior with this woman? You know the man doesn't stay there.
She normally come there. We talk together. We drink together. We make friends together. We are friends together. So
So you are sleeping with your friends?
No, I don't sleep with her. I can't sleep with her. No, sir. I don't sleep with her.
Sir, tell us how you are supposed to know that somebody is sleeping with your wife so that we can use that same method to do this investigation.
I said I will do investigation.
So what a situation whereby you already disgrace this woman in the public.
Sir,
Hold
she
on,
disgraced me.
Oga, wait. I'm not
Okay.
talking about this woman now.
Okay.
It's you I'm talking to, you and your wife. A situation whereby somebody already disgraced your wife in the public, accuse her of all this, and you still think the woman will still come the way you will see them, giving body contact. Is that what you are saying now? That after you disgrace or they disgrace your wife, then you think the husband will cut you people again because you charm her. Because you already disgrace her, definitely she's angry with you. And even though she's going to send you text to insult you, say, so what I did with you, you actually went and said to the public. She will just delete the text. She will always send the text for you to know you are very stupid. So you have the guts to go and tell the public. She will delete it. And that means for you to know that never in your life come close to me where we used to meet, idiots, for example. So how will the husband now notice that there is still something going on? So in that investigation, sir, it will not work. So tell us how this man is supposed to know, because no woman now will go and tell the husband, say, yes, actually it's true. Even as I did now, I never trust this woman now say, he tell me the truth, because if to say na true, no woman actually will come tell say, oga, na true. Because if you slept with somebody's wife, maybe she was drunk. If she was drunk and she make you to sleep with her, if that woman wake up and she did not say, baby, are you the one I slept with yesterday? Now you say no. Say, but somebody slept with me now because I was drunk. Say, no, not be me. But I was told that you enter room 2 instead of room 1, which is my neighbor. Oh, baby, because I was drunk, I never knew it's room 2 I enter. And that man, I was the one romancing the man as if it's my husband. And the man did something. That is the only way you can forgive your wife. But after that day, your wife did not tell you, and they now have to confess her after some months. You will not even believe her. Because you will tell her, if to say they not confess you, you for come agree this thing with me. So now you not expect this woman to say, yes, I do. You too that is here, you know the implication. You will never say, yes, I do, because you tell them the truth out of annoyance. And you even describe where you people used to meet. So, if you are not ready to tell us the truth, we will not force you. and I will not force these people, but I will only ask them, ask the husband if he need help, because we need to sue you for defamation of character. And you know many things involved when you are found guilty. They will ask you to publish in newspaper, leading newspaper, either one or two leading newspaper. And the television station, the one that Nigeria watch most, if it's Channels TV they watch most, they will choose it. And so she will say, even you want make you go ring bell for their street or some marketplaces, or carry this megaphone, talk am from street to street. That is for the announcement to define before they'll say, okay, so amount. Now you go take wash that dirty to clean that name. You understand? So that next time you will be advocating for this kind of something, that thou shall not do this, thou shall not take landlord as a semi-heaven, thou shall not turn landlord to God, that it was not your favor. You know, many of them never come and know that human rights defenders, they are out there to defend you, and then you think gone are the days that you just say all this trash and go away. Even the ear that hear it can fight for this woman. The ear that hear people insulting you can also fight for you, and be human or anything. So what you did, I will allow people to call in. They will call in and let me have phone. They will call, then thereafter we'll know where we
but
are
you didn't
going.
say anything about the beating of my daughter when I say.
Okay, it's a question I supposed to ask. I have not asked. You said so, and she has not. We have not been able to ask. We ask. Let's give. Everything is written down here. It's because this case is not. We are not finalizing it today. That is why we have not been able to ask all the questions. So, if you want to call in, maybe you want to ask the woman and the landlord some question, even the husband, you call 09030002484. 09030002484. Again, 09030002484. You have 3 people to ask questions. Whatever question or contribution if you feel, if I am the man, what I'm supposed to do, or the way we should investigate it, whichever way you want to be of help to this, please call in. You can ask the woman question, please no insult. You can ask the woman question, you can ask the man, and all that. Hello, good evening. All right. Hello, good evening.
Hello?
Good evening.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Your name and where you calling from?
Yes, I'm Joy. I'm calling from the United States.
Okay.
I just want to ask the husband question. The reason why the husband went to beg the landlord. To me, for the statement, like the husband knew that he was just accusing the landlord wrongly. So, like it addressed the issue of why did the husband went to go and beg the husband?
Okay. Okay, give the mic to the man, let him respond to that. No, the husband. They say, why did you went to beg the landlord? Rather, why did you go there to beg him?
The reason why I went there is because the reason why I went there is because of the misunderstanding they're having in the first place. I never knew that such a thing is going on before. So that is the reason why I went to him, and and it's later on that I knew that because he himself told me that he slept with my wife that day. So I
He
did
told
not.
you he slept with your wife.
Yes.
He just said to you, I slept with your wife.
And as in when he was explaining some things to me,
Yeah.
so that was when he said it.
That, how did he say it?
That he says he slept with my wife in the bathroom.
Yeah.
So I did not say anything that day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Madam, are you still online? All right. Good evening. Good evening.
Hello?
Good evening. Your name and where you calling from?
Yeah, my name is Adiza. I'm calling from UK. Can I speak to the woman, please?
Yeah, go ahead. They hear you loud and clear.
Okay. Madam,
Ma.
can you put your straight up, please? Hallelujah. Put your
Hallelujah.
head up straight.
Hallelujah.
Put your head up straight. Listen, I've been watching this case, right from the beginning, and it doesn't seem the woman is really honest, chairman.
Okay.
My question to her is that, listen, you are wearing a white garment and you have four corners,
Yes.
and that four corners represent holy
Yes.
prophetess.
Yes.
You are before a chairman who is standing right, who is still down in front of you. I want you to be very, very, very honest
Yes.
and say the truth.
Yes.
Say the truth that if you have had anything with him, want to be honest to the four corners that you are wearing.
Yes.
All right.
Confirm it. Confirm that you had something with the landlord.
No.
Before God and man, confess it.
Before God and man, I don't have anything with him. He just want to use it to spoil my name.
It's just an abuse. Both of you abuse yourself,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
You had no sexual intercourse. You are wearing four corners.
Yes.
Chairman,
And
that's all I have for the woman.
All right. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Good evening. Your name and where you calling from?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Go ahead.
Yeah, this is Kingsley. I'm calling from Yaba, Lagos.
Okay.
Yes, I want to ask I want to ask the woman a question, and the woman first one a question. Let me
Okay.
start with the woman first.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear me.
Yeah, we hear you loud and clear.
Okay. Oga, the question is this. Do you trust your wife that she cannot do this thing that she's been accused of doing?
Give him.
That is for the
He
man.
said if you trust your wife, you were hearing them. Okay, he said whether you trust your wife.
Well, actually, she's a woman. I never trust her.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Take the phone.
Right. Okay, now, I'll be following this case. Now, look at it critically. The fact is, this woman and the landlord, they are not saying the fact. Two things are involved. One, either the landlord is right, like the case, or the landlord have upset this woman or have put her and she refused. She was right, how was one led for that issue. So I don't know. I guess chairman, I think if you think further, in terms of price, the resolution is just from this issue.
All right.
Nobody is supposed to do it.
God bless you.
Thank you very much.
All right. Good evening. Your name and where you calling from? As you can see or as you can hear, another question has bring another Hold a minute. Good evening, your name and where you calling from? Good evening, your name and where you calling from? Good evening, your name and where you calling from?
I'm calling from Scotland.
All right, your name, please.
Christopher, this is my brother. This question they are asking this woman. This woman is a mad woman. No woman get that thing. No woman will affect that thing.
Okay.
Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
No woman will affect that thing. Respect that guy is left with her. Because he's a married woman. No woman. So, please, my brother, do your work. We get that issue well, please.
Okay. All right, thank you.
My own opinion. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
Mother, according to the person that called before this man, he said, make you tell us the truth, whether this man don't ever they toast you. We are not talking of sex or no sex now. Enough they toast you. Okay. Good evening, your name and where you calling from?
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Hello.
We hear you loud and clear.
Yeah, good evening. My name is. Hello.
Go ahead. Go ahead. All right, the number to call is 090302484. 090302484. Okay, according to the husband, he said he did not trust his wife. Good evening, your name and where you calling from?
Yeah, good evening. My name is Dr. Abraham. I'm calling from Maiduguri.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. My own contribution, actually, I was not at the beginning when you started the case,
Okay.
but so I want to ask the husband of the woman the question.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, the question I want to ask is that he said when he met the landlord, the landlord told that he slept with his wife. Was he trying to explain to him when the woman insulted him back that by he's sleeping with other women, that he was provoked and made that statement? Or he told him categorically that he slept with his wife, showing as if like he's the landlord. There is nothing they can do.
All right, give him the phone. Yeah. Okay, the question what they ask you.
Yes, sir.
He said, according to you, you said when you went to plead with the landlord,
Yeah.
he said he slept with your wife at the bathroom.
Yeah. He said
Now the question is, according to one of my caller now,
yeah.
is it that this man was trying to explain to you because your wife insulted me, that is why I said I slept with her, or this man was just telling you, I said I slept with your wife?
No. When he was explaining to me that he mentioned that statement.
Which statement?
That he slept with my wife in the bathroom.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
It's okay. They are just trying to.
Thank
go
you
ahead.
very much. That is the not state that categorically he told the tenant that he slept with his wife. There is nothing he can do. That one is one thing to note, Mr. Chairman. And secondly, where I want to draw our attention to is that both of them tarnish each other's image. They can be held for information of character.
Okay.
Because the woman also accused him of sleeping with another woman, while he busted his slept with like he's sleeping with another woman. And it is wrong of him to do that. It is very, very wrong of him. It is very, very wrong of him. So as we said, we are human rights defender and access to justice. Both of them will be dealt with square. The landlord, he run his mouth without thinking twice. The woman also run her mouth without thinking twice. The reason why I believe one of the aim of this platform is for people to learn their lesson and also know how to talk and when to get their rights, to defend their rights. So both the woman should be dealt with also for making such statement because somebody run his mouth. You should not go ahead and be accusing him of sleeping with other women, spoiling them. But those women, people that were there when she was making that statement, have heard that and they will not be happy with it. They can sue her also. Likewise, the caretaker, the landlord also was very wrong. So please, Mr. Chairman, deal with them squarely. Both of them are at fault. Okay. Both of them are at fault. Thank you. That's my contribution.
God bless you. Good evening. Your name and where you calling from?
My name is Stella. I'm calling from America.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to contribute to this show.
Okay. Go ahead.
I want to say thank you for all you've been doing. You guys have been doing. Kudos to you guys. And what do you want to? I want to speak in English. What do you want to learn with this? I believe the woman. Normally, I say Nigeria go. I say for Baragu. I think they said the landlord, the issue of outside, they carry women. Then when the woman go accuse, say they carry woman for outside. Now the landlord call it like say okay, so they carry it to Abi. So the woman, the husband knows. I know that why you don't trust your wife, you don't trust her. You don't trust someone, you can't marry her, I'm sure. You need to support the woman. Me, I believe the woman is innocent, and not with innocent. Now, what landlord is demanding my account, you way they carry women. Now, the landlord comes to say that they carry you, Abi. So, the woman, I believe the woman, they understand that not anything in common. But just that now, retaliation, really, I want to talk maybe saying, me, I talk my own way to you too. Now, the landlord, retaliation, say, I have a thing to do, Abi. But for the man be like, what the decision, the woman husband. Why you never trust your wife? Say you don't trust someone. Now, so this is very cool. Now, it's kind of take advantage of this. And me want to consider the thing she does me. I trust the woman. The landlord, I don't want to make anything in common. I just say the woman, they treat the landlord or other people. And if they give the carry women, now the landlord is a bit that way, the way they carry you. But only here. So, I don't know for the husband. The husband one day for you, able to trust your wife. Why you go marry her in trust? Thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good evening. Your name and where you calling from? Good evening. Your name and where you calling from?
Good evening, I'm calling from the UK.
All right, your
Can you
contribution.
hear me?
Yeah, go ahead.
The woman and the landlord, whether they slept together or not, the husband of that woman has already said that he doesn't trust his wife. So the conclusion here is that the woman and the landlord, whether they've done it or not, is left between them and their conscience. So the husband should decide if he feels the woman or not, whether it's allegation or not. The husband has already broken his home. He's already said he doesn't trust his wife, which is the foundation of every home. So it's because if the wife and the landlord did not have anything to do, in terms of sexual intercourse, but the husband already would leave on the wife, and I have no iota of doubt that that husband will actually that woman. Whether application is true or not, the man would use it against the woman in the house. Maybe there's a simply excuse to have a foreign in the house. That man who doesn't trust his wife would give that woman problems. So whether it's false allegation or not, it's for the both actors in this case, the landlord and the woman, to have their conscience to deal with. For that purpose, he needs to either leave out woman. That person who doesn't trust that woman should find something to do now, either to leave that woman and go his way and, send maintenance stuff to the woman. I mean, he has no point bringing, there's no point bringing this to human rights. He doesn't trust the wife. That's what I've got to say. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. All right, before we receive any other call, we have to ask one or two questions. In this commission, we don't separate home. If you'll be watching or following us, you will see we do everything humanly possible to bring broken homes together again. We are putting smiles in millions of marriages that were tearing apart. No one is complaining now. I believe this woman here will be hearing it, or rather it will be a surprise to her now that her husband is saying this. They did not come here to report themselves. They came here as a lovely family, but I love people who speak their mind. I can equally do so. Yes, maybe I go to places with my wife. She believes I'm smiley. If they ask me, are you smiley? If I'm not smiley, I will let them know I'm not smiley from my heart. And they need to ask me why so that the case can be settled. I believe this man has the opportunity. He feels, oh, this is the right place to tell my wife my mind so that things can be settled. And you see, he's not a talking type. I've been reading comments since. Actually, he's not a talking type. But people that doesn't talk much or talk at all, when they talk, believe them. And we are going to do that. We are still going to ask him questions, see how we can let him really speak his mind. Maybe I've seen similar things like this before. And we also ask the wife, how are you feeling for a woman, a man, or your husband to say he don't trust you. So if you know, maybe you have been disobeying your husband. If he say don't go, you will go. Sleep, you say I'm not sleeping. So he may have one or two things to tell us when the time comes. So let's put that aside for now. We'll deal with that. That will be the last topic or the last thing we will deal on. So let's pick one or two calls for now that have to do with this landlord and his tenant. Good evening. Your name and where you calling from? By now, it's this simple thing. Your name and where you calling from? Yeah, we hear you loud and clear. Tell us your name and where you calling from.
Hello.
Okay, tell us your name and where you calling from.
This is calling from Italy.
All right, go ahead. Make your contribution.
There's a one man that is the land of salvation and the woman.
I don't think I understand what you said. We can't hear you very well. Maybe you can repeat your question.
This is on Holocaust calling.
Yeah, go ahead. Your contribution, please.
It's all the landlord and the woman tenant wife question.
Do you understand? We don't. Good evening. Your name and where you calling from? Okay, we are going to receive, allow just like 3 callers to call in. Thereafter, good evening, your name and where you calling from? Okay, if you Good evening, your name and where you calling from?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Good evening, your name and where you calling from?
Hello, good evening. This is the location calling.
All right, go ahead.
What is the landlord and the woman? That's the tenant wife question.
Go ahead.
Okay. The landlord, the real answer, if somebody call the wife that name or say wife that this kind of words, I will pay.
Use my mic.
I will not be happy with that. It's because the abuse, when she abused me, that is why I abused her back. The way she abused me. That's it.
Okay. Because if she abuse you or take that word, that makes you say that word.
Yeah,
Because
that's what
if
it
you because say you don't say you are a husband, now find somebody. I think she doesn't get in mind to do those things.
I don't know. What is really mad?
Dorafe, please repeat it again.
I believe say because this landlord, because the woman or husband, I don't say when they talk about affection they gentle. That they can still get in mind. So you call somebody wife say you don't sleep with her. When you don't have sleep with her.
All right.
What did I say? You don't take women. Yes, yes. So because she can go to work, they get in mind to tell more normal house to do things not to with her.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Oga, what they are still telling you is part of what I told you before. No matter how people reason it, if I have to reason it my way, it's not done anywhere. You cannot say that to somebody, a woman, a lady who has a serious boyfriend. Even there are some one night stand relationship that the man will not tolerate that, he will go after you. Say, how dare you want to make my girlfriend cheap in the public? Go after you. So I will not advise you that because you, it's vice versa, because you say so, she says so, that's why you have to return it back. If you are a real man, there is no way you can even think of such in your mind, because you know they will come after you. But the truth is that you know this husband, you know him, you say it's your good friend, you drink and eat together. Maybe you people must have been gossiping this woman, or you know how calm he is, that even if you raise up your hand, he will still tell you sorry. It's not all about fighting. What you did was actually wrong. You understand? And if you have met your match, my brother, you would have, maybe you should be somewhere by now, or maybe court, come today, come tomorrow in court. It's not done, okay? What I want to do now, I want to just talk to this family. I want to seize this opportunity to talk to them, give to the woman. Madam,
Sir,
you had your husband say he don't trust you.
I heard, but not that my husband did not trust me. It's because of what he heard from me between my landlord and my neighbor. That is why he said he can't trust me. But he have already asked me, is it true or lie? Because he know that I can never do such a thing. But what make him not agree that is because of the way my landlord behave with woman. Because that my neighbor too, he want to be friend, even though he follow him go to his house, the woman can come here, he have oil. So, and I told my husband about that issue. So that's why my husband did not accept. That's why he did not trust me. So that because of that issue, the woman can come here. So that is why my husband don't want to believe me.
Okay, I don't understand I mean, I don't get it. Let's speak a very simple and correct
Sir,
English.
she will We invite that woman.
And hold on first,
No.
Oga landlord. You dey use your house, dey
No,
friend
no.
all the women,
No.
dey intimidate them. I
No.
bet forget that thing.
Yes,
Let
sir.
me-
No, I don't do
It's
that.
okay
I have
now.
my work, sir.
You have your work.
Yes,
It's
I'm
your
married.
work. Did they?
Yes, I'm married. I'm married now.
Listen now. Did they say you are asking them for money? Did I say you are asking them for money? Is it not when I say you are asking them for money, you say I have my work? Please listen before you defend yourself. Madam,
Sir.
wetin you talk just now, you use pidgin English. I no hear one, no hear two people
I
cannot
say wetin make my husband no trust me. He say what make my husband no trust me say one of that my neighbor that they have issue before. The time wey that woman never get husband.
No.
The,
Push on. Yeah, try. Maybe your hand don't open. They thought they brought back to me and they come out. Talk, we dey hear you.
the reason why when my husband no wan trust me be say my second neighbor wey dey get issue wey he wan use that one, he don give that one 2 quick notice. That time the woman get issue, he no get husband before. E be like say the woman dey look for husband. So he don toast that one no gree accept for him. He monitor that woman reach him house, follow that one vex say why you go follow me enter house. So I tell my husband all that kind
the
thing.
woman report to you.
Yes, so na that thing no make my husband wan tell me say this one wey you talk say your landlord do, and if the one wey you talk so say he talk am for my presence say I fuck your husband inside bedroom. So he say that one sef dey scatter him brain with the other one wey he hear now. Say which kind issue
Okay,
be
what
this
you are
one?
trying to say now, because he know say the landlord dey flirt.
Yes,
He can't
sir.
believe say he flirt with you.
Yes, sir. That's the reason why my husband.
Listen now, if your husband trust you before, this one I no go fit use am against you. Abeg give your husband. Oga, your house will not spoil.
Amen.
We will help you and God will help us.
Amen.
We will help you fix your home.
Amen.
If you get wetin dey vex you before, when you never confront your wife, you can tell us, we will help you. Why wetin make you not trust am? That word big.
It's not that I don't trust my wife, what I said woman.
Okay, they know they trust women.
Yeah.
And not be my mouth you hear am. Is that what you said?
Sir, what I said woman, I trust my wife. You understand? We are in a happy home.
Yeah.
Nothing is happening.
What you said before, 9 people here.
Yes.
Now you want me to correct, even you want correct and well.
Okay.
They not talk say you na dey fight, not be una carry una say come here.
Yes. Yes.
Why you say you not trust your wife?
Yeah. Due to what his landlord said, that he's having something.
If you trust your wife,
Yeah.
see am I no fit talk this thing. I'm not saying this thing because my wife is here. You understand?
Yeah.
You see as my wife dey so.
Yeah.
Na me dey settle fight when your men dey fight.
Okay.
E no be say bossing to bossing. E get the kind word when you go tell my wife before I marry her until now. Na the man go call me, come report to me. No be my wife dey call me say see wetin man tell am. Na the man na him dey call me, dey report to me. After much, whether na assault I go call am, abi na insult or anything, na the man on his own, na there dey call me. They will find my number about me. See the way your wife react. That is not what I meant. And did not even say something related to that. I was just. Na me when suppose dey vex as man, na me dey beg my wife say you owe too much. Wetin that man don talk? When you understand?
Yes, sir.
Somebody dash my wife for I never marry my wife, and that fool never dey Nigeria like that. He dash my wife for finish na. Maybe na toast he wan toast, so I fit talk this one because I never marry at that time. He dash am phone, he say he come from Japan, whatever, good. I no dey there o, na the fight I come settle when I tell no. So as person when he dash my wife phone na, come from Japan, bring something for am. Then my wife say he come notice say person touch am for back. After you bring phone that day, at least somebody touch you for back. You for take am easy. He say he notice say somebody touch him, just look at this man wey bring something for am. Na slap na he enter the man ear to her. So na the fight me I meet I dey settle, no be say the man dey fight am back. My wife still dey wan give am another one, dey call people say e dey craze this and that. Na me come dey settle fight, I never marry her. And when I come still marry her, people dey call me, dey tell me say I be no mean am o, maybe na my body touch am, maybe na the same office, na my body come touch this, wetin I come hear na different thing o, wetin I feel na different thing o, abeg help me, no be so. So what am I trying to say? If this kind person now as landlord come talk say see as me and my wife dey fight, I no go even get reason to say I suspect my wife. So if I must suspect my wife, maybe I know the class of my wife. Say that kind person wey talk to my wife dey like that kind thing. I don see dem dey gist one day, that high class. That is the area where I say no. At least sometimes the way I dey meet am with my wife, I know, even if I trust my wife, but that area I no trust am the way I dey see them always. So for you to say you no trust your wife, if you trust am before, there is no how you go use this one say I no trust am. That means your wife get class. E dey do A, no dey do B. Then because this one na B now, say okay, I know this level of my wife. But if to say na A, I trust my wife. That is what you are trying to tell us. You know what they call trust? Trust is trust. You understand? And if you trust your wife, anything your wife tell you say you do, you go know. If you trust your wife, there are some kind of words your wife will come tell you, say, do you know that stupid man was toasting me? So because he dey tell you, say, that person be dey toast me. So the day he will tell you, say, he not toast me, oh, you will say, yes, I trust him because anytime person toast him, he dey tell me. So today when he tell me, say, nobody toast him, I go believe. So that impression or what you said before, we are not going to dig into it. Next time, don't come to public or even private place and talk like that. You just say you don't trust your wife, and people have been calling in since thinking before you say you don't trust her, that means you must have caught her one or two things. So I not still blame you. Now this landlord when he turn the house to heaven, now he cause all these things. Okay, you still need to laugh, or you dey laugh since. So
Yes,
I never start with it. When I start, I say you no laugh again.
Yes, sir. I need to say something, please. Please.
They talk now, you now
This
freedom
woman
of
is
speech.
still,
Yeah.
is still saying something against me. The second neighbor, he said, that one said, I toast her again. Look at that thing.
Okay,
He said, I toast
another
that one.
allegation.
Eh,
Don't become
another
two.
one. He said, I toast her.
Now you go sue her at the end.
He said that time, that one, she never married. He said, I don't want that woman to be here again to say
No,
it.
we not dey finish that
Because
today. Oh. Now
you see,
next time.
I don't.
Okay. But see, may I tell you, no, say Nigeria, we are not lawless country, just that we are not implementing it. That is the problem. All this law that is guiding people in Western world is the same, most 75% that is also guiding us. But because we don't implement it, they know the lower and the upper class, middle class, they know people that will go for it and people that will not go for it. That is why. Let me tell you, do you know if a woman is going in abroad, you now stop and start looking at her shape, like you admire her, you can be sued for that.
Because
No, wait. I'm just telling you, only for you to wait. They admire woman. The woman can sue you. I'm just telling you. So now for you to start running after women toasting them, they are even complaining. You are embarrassing them. They can sue you for that. Or you now have to use your house. Because this house, if they not agree, I'll give them quick notice. So what do you want now? You want me to call the woman? Not be say to toast person, no bad though.
Yeah, no gree for
You
that one.
toast am, but that one show say what they say about you is true. You just dey toast all the women dey go. You no go settle with your wife. You happy say your room dey free
Yes,
today.
Yes, sir. They are lying against me. Why?
Okay, nice.
No, I'm
What they wash
saying
up before them?
yes, I'm saying the truth. Only my yes.
No, he said you were not here. He said so.
That is the formation of
He said so, but he never did anything with her.
No, but did you say out of annoyance that you
I
slept
said with annoyance.
then that kind of a thing is what they should sue you to for the information of she can sue you now.
But me too, I can sue her because she tell me that
But you are the first person that first told me that. No, only aṣẹ́wó ni ẹ́, aṣẹ́wó ni ẹ́. Yes, bẹ́ẹ̀ni pé aṣẹ́wó ni ẹ́ ṣe bí kò máa ń bá ẹ lágbo mẹ́ta pẹ̀lú Mr. Rice. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni,
Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, we are going to postpone this case the next week Saturday. You don't know, this case we are going to adjourn it
Yes.
to next week Saturday the same time. Madam, that woman when they disturb, you follow her enter inside her house.
No, I don't follow them.
No, the woman say you follow her enter her
I
house.
trace am come their compound.
Okay, that woman you go call that woman come. The time they call you a shower when you say that make you come retaliate. The na two people.
Now that woman,
Oga wait na, Oga wait.
It's the same woman.
Iya Sadira.
It's the same woman.
Iya Ibrahim.
It's the same woman.
Na una one woman carry two names.
That Yasadra, she's the one that said I
You
follow
don't give that
her.
woman
I
to
follow
big
to
notice.
her
That
house.
woman.
Okay, na it
Na that one don cause wahala wey you come use am tag me.
Okay,
You don
Iya
carry
Sadira.
that one give
Iya
that one.
Sadira will come. Iya Ibrahim will
Yes,
come.
ma'am.
Okay, how many people dey your place when she call you those names when she first call you? You say na he first call you. Abi?
Now she first told me.
Yes.
Now
You say as he call you, you can't say if you say I do so, then I do so with you.
Now the same people wey she
Na him dey there.
Na she dey there.
That those one can help you people bear witness for you and for against you. Abi, President,
Sir?
not be so.
Not so.
You know, say you don't meet this judgment. Now let me know as I tell the patch and see.
Yes.
So you may not talk much.
I don't
So,
talk, I
so
hear the
let's
last statement.
by
That's why
next
I
week.
maybe I ask some question.
By next week, Saturday, maybe you will be here to get it in full. Oga, we will not listen to you much as the husband, but if we may ask you, what exactly do you want from this case? Give my mic.
It's okay.
I can't.
Because as I am, as a man, I can never say such a thing
To a woman.
to a woman.
Then what do you want, sir? We can do it for both of you.
Okay. Yeah, I want you to assist us on this case to how would I put it? As in to investigate what is really happening.
The truth of the matter.
Yeah.
Other co-tenants have to be here.
Okay.
Yes. From the co-tenant.
How many tenants do you have?
The 3 containers, we have 3 containers outside, but the rest we have 7.
Okay, no worries. 3 container, is it operated? Are they operate? The ones people operating it, are they women? Residents. They have attached. The people operating it, are they female?
They are female. The
3 of them are
Yes,
women. The Sadirat na container, yes, Sadirat container they operate. The third person, okay, permanent something. Okay, the tenant of this man, they also complaining in house tenant.
Yes, sir. There are new tenants now because those people that they are there before, they have been there.
Okay, no problem.
All of them don't pack out.
Yes, now new face they there
Okay,
now.
good. These 2 people will just still need them. This Sadira and
I will put one more. There are 3. I will call the 3rd woman.
the one that is selling on Paco.
Yes,
And
my
bring
mommy
her.
Yemi.
Iya Kini.
Yemi.
Okay.
All of them are here.
So
Yeah,
now you now landlord will go tell Yemi say we need that Saturday by 4.
4 o'clock.
Now madam, now you will go tell Iya Ibrahim and Iya Sadira that we need 2 of them by 4. You see what we are trying to do? Anybody that pay for comfort. We are trying to teach you landlords and landlady lesson. And we are also teaching this some wicked tenant lesson. This office is not for anybody, it's for everybody. Are you not surprised now that what brought you here, we have not treated it at all? Because this one is more important. than the quit notice, because something led to quit notice. You don't just come to our office and say give quit notice quit. We want to know
Why you are quitting?
if it's transfer aggression or and actually that's actually what happens in most cases we treat here. And that is the same case now. So we don't take it lightly. Life is not easy. You people are making things more difficult for the fact that life in Africa is already difficult. So now we want to look into the matter completely from all angles. How you are treating your tenant, how you are, terrorizing them because you are the young landlord.
Harassing them sexually.
Yes, and that sexual harass, say now it is a kind of rape case, as kind of. If you told person no gree, you go the next day, can get you arrested and sue you. That's sexual harassment. You have been doing that, and if we find 2 or more evidence against you, sir, you will not like it. Oh, you understand? So we are not judging yet. Both of you will go and come back next week Saturday, and that quick notice, because now you saw them, you give them quick notice. Now you told them they're not bring. Now you give them quick notice. Okay, you may not like coming here, or maybe you go there church, say you use your hand to find trouble. We are not human rights that say give us money, we bend down to one side. Understand? We help people to go to court, we pay for it. Okay, Oga say me will help and do investigation. So after investigation, we will next that is by next week. Okay, you may go. Secretary, take note of